In this video, we're going to be looking at prime numbers and prime factorization. Prime numbers are numbers that is only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, let's prove this. We have the number 5 here. Let's write down the factors for 5. Before we do this, make sure if you haven't seen the video, go and watch that now by pressing the pop-up banner in the top right hand corner of the screen or by pressing the link in the description. Okay. The factors for 5 is 1 and 5. That is it. 5 divided by 1 gives 5. 5 divided by 5 gives 1. 5 is only divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, I would like you to try this question. Which of these numbers are not prime numbers? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Let's prove this. We have the number 4. The factors of 4 is 1 and 4 and 2. When we write this, we have to have it in order, so it'll be 1, 2 and 4. The factors for 12 are 1 and 12 and 2 and 6 and 3 and 4. And we have to write this in order, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And 21, we can have 1, 21, 3 and 7. So when we write this out, it would be 1, 3, 7, 21. All of these have more than 2 factors. Alright, let's have a look at prime factorization. This is when we divide the given number by a prime number to find its products. Here we have 10. Let's divide this by 2. 2 is a prime number, remember. We circle it off because it's a prime number. 2 multiplied by something gives 10. That is 5. 5 is also a prime number. So we will represent 10 as 2 times 5. Let's have a look at 40. We can do this, we can divide 40 by 2, giving us 20. We'll circle off the 2. We can have 2 multiplied by 10, giving us 20. And we can have 2 multiplied by 5, giving us 10. Okay, so this will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. In our exam, we have to have it in index form. So this will be 2 to the power of 3. That's because we have 3 2's multiplying by each other. Times 5. Okay, I would like you to try this question. Write 90 as a product of its prime factors. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Okay, let's do the factor tree. We can have 2 and 45. We can have 5 and 9. 3 and 3. So then we will write this as 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. And in our exam, we have to write it in order and in index form. So that will be 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Okay, hopefully you're confident in questions on prime numbers and prime factorization. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.